we want to scale it up a little bit. So our first test was, what happens if we do it at 1 ounce per foot-ish? Like how much spatter, how much energy is that? Next thing we want to do is see, well, if we bump that amount up, let's even do it at 5 ounces per foot. So we're increasing that 5-fold. So I'm putting 150 grams of thermite per foot into this. So we would expect a much larger amount of energy coming out of this. And since we didn't get any spatter last time, what happens this time? So again, setting this up right in the center there. Oh, the sand is still pretty warm. Thoroughly mix it. So that's about 5 ounces right there. Okay. So then it did appear that we had some sort of issue or some problem lighting the wick last time. So let's see if we can do something about that. So I'm going to measure out more than I need for this. Put it down into the center. And it should be noted that the reason I'm wearing gloves is not because this is dangerous at all, but because it is messy. And so if you get this very, very finely powdered iron onto you, for the rest of the day you will look like some sort of gilded bronzed god, which, I mean, I have no problem with, but it is messy. So at this point now I'm going to kind of fold this over a number of times at the very start. It seems like getting this thing started is the hardest part. And we make our little burrito there. All right. More fire and flame. Sweet. Thank you. Yep. That's all right. So do not look directly at this from the distance that you're at. So. All right. Thermite test burn round 2. 5 ounces per foot. All right. Woohoo! So I think again what we saw, did anyone see any big pieces fly out any distance?
No, I did not.
So again,
I didn't see anything like that.
Thank you, Derek. So again, we have our piece of molten iron in the center, but essentially we see almost nothing, aside from these were from our previous burn, almost nothing surrounding it. So dry sand seems like it is entirely good insulation and good surface to burn this on. So the next thing that we want to test is the wet sand. So make sure that the reaction with this hot of a substance encountering water. So thermite burns at about 2,500 degrees Celsius. Don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. It's really hot. Yeah. It's hotter than your kitchen oven. It's hotter than, most things that you come in contact with. So the issue there is if something that hot encounters water, it will essentially instantly vaporize it. And so this is one of the ways that very large volcanic explosions happen. So we want to make sure that in this, for our small controlled volcanic explosion, we don't send any shards of anything in any direction. So we're gonna get that set up and we'll be right back with you.